Officer Emilio Zacarias was challenged 5 times on the absence of a sign, yet was unaware or intentionally withheld information requisite to the enforcement of LAMC 80.69. Challenge 1.
You said no parking here, and this is a rule that you just states is a rule. And although there's no signage that says no parking on this side, you're enforcing that regulation on this private property.
Yes, sir. Once again, this is an emergency roadway.
Yes, sir.
Right? Obviously, one vehicle here will get in the way of anything coming in here. That's why no one's allowed here. You and the other vehicle were the only ones parked here.
Challenge 2.
I just find it interesting that you're enforcing a rule that has no signage that says so.
Okay.
It kind of seems like you're just creating a rule right here, and I think you just wanted to get rid of me.
No, sir.
But okay, I'll leave all the assumptions aside. Sorry.
Okay, fair enough. And
yeah.
that's why I approached you. It's like, you just move your vehicle.
Yeah.
I didn't approach you saying, I'm going to give you a ticket first. That's
Yeah.
why you were there. Perfect. And so I asked you to move.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
So, and that was my whole premise behind it. Yeah, I want to make contact first, sir. Please move your car.
Yes.
And we're done. Out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
But
Challenge 3.
If that's an issue here, perhaps post a sign that says no parking, like over there, because
I was going to say, yeah,
there's signs where it says no parking
Yes,
here, and so that should direct the person on how to park.
Yes.
Coming here summarily telling me to move, making a new rule right here. How legal is that if there's no signage posted? I mean, you can't just walk around and tell people to do stuff that's inconsistent with what
Fair
the
enough.
park is saying.
Fair enough. But again, ultimately, again, like you said, I've seen it. The fact that they pass by because of vehicles are parked here,
Yeah.
obviously, what are they going to say? Get out of the way? No. And that's the problem we're having throughout the several years we've been here, right? And yes, the requests have been made. Unfortunately, red tape and everything else, trying to get the signs up here. It's we're working on it. We're gonna get that done. But again,
Yeah.
I can't tell them to hurry up. Right?
Yes, 19 years. If this is a new thing, please.
Challenge 4.
And then I just want to see what you cited me for. No, it's vehicle parked on a one-way roadway in park. So where's the violation?
It's in the box, right here, sir.
No parking. 8069.
And again,
Mr. Polk even explains LAMC 80.69 to Officer Zacarias.
I'm pretty much familiar with this law.
Got it, sir.
But then, if I could probably even almost cite it. There's a law that says, according to here, there's one law that authorizes the city to place the signs there, and then there's another law that allows them to enforce that law. So neither of those are present. There aren't signs to enforce law. So this typically these type of citations come on the grounds of that there's sign there and the person parked regardless of the signs. So how am I getting this if there's no posted sign alerting me to it?
Fair enough. And again, ultimately, it's about the safety of the park and you as a person, as a visitor, and everyone else. We're trying to keep this roadway open just in case. And obviously, we can't answer for emergencies, right?
I don't think this applies.
Okay.
And you coming up here, that's not consistent with the MTUCD.
Okay.
Challenge 5.
So you feel this applies. I feel it doesn't.
Okay.
Right now, I'm gonna have to take steps to deal with
Yes,
this.
sir.
And that's going to take me away from myself. So, and I know it doesn't affect you directly, but me taking steps to deal with this is going to take time out of my stuff, and that's going to be considered damages.
Okay, it'll take time for me as well, because obviously I'm.
But it's fine. This is within your duties, but it's not my obligation to kind of set the city straight on the parking regulation. And you're just saying there's no parking here. There's no signage, nothing indicating that. It's like you kind of just came here and made up your own rule. And of course you can.
I don't make my own rules, sir.
Yeah.
Come on, let's be honest. Am I making the city just approach it? When I approach it, just like I said, when I approach you, sir.
Why didn't Officer Zacarias simply say, the sign is right there? Answer: because he didn't know of any signs. The sign he cited over 2 years later is 1. Off the road. 2. A completely different code, 86.03. 3. For garbage operations. Judge Blancardi thoroughly considered this sign and determined Officer Zacarias' citation to be unlawful. L.A.P.D. doesn't respect the rule of law or the court's judgment.